Hello everyone, this is AJ and welcome to today's vlog. So we kicked off our day 2 in Cape May, situated at the southernmost tip of New Jersey, with a delicious breakfast at a cozy pancake house that absolutely hit the spot. After breakfast, we headed to the docks for our 3-hour dolphin watching boat trip. Surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean to the south and east and Delaware Bay to the west, Cape May is a gem along the Jersey Shore and popular summer resort town for its charming beaches, bustling promenade, and vibrant tourism scene. The large, fast-moving boat called American Star had main cabin that featured a snack bar and a gift shop. These 100-foot boats are designed for sightseeing, and we were thrilled to have taken this water adventure.
Me too.
As the boat started drifting away from the Cape May beach, we saw the historic 150 feet tall Cape May Lighthouse, built in 1859 and still operates today. It offers stunning panoramic views and has guided sailors for over 160 years, a must-see for history and maritime lovers alike.
There's a couple nests over the tree line around the canal, as well as some over by the inlet, over at the 2 Mile Wildlife and Bird Refuge. And they are monogamous bird species. I'm the wheelhouse on the upper deck. And life rafts are located on the roof. And that whitehead is looking right back at us. Ospreys and eagles actually compete with the same. Before we make our way out of the canal here and into the Delaware Bay, there are several important safety announcements to go over. At no point throughout the trip should there be any running or jumping. Please keep 2 feet on the gray and at least 1 hand on a handrail at all times. There should also be no standing, climbing, running, or jumping on any of the benches. Make sure to keep our heads, hands, arms, legs, and other body parts inside the vessel throughout the entire trip. And parents, make sure to relay all this information to your children. And please keep them by your side throughout the entire trip.
We spent some time on the roof deck that had great views of the ocean, and then came to the main deck to enjoy our snacks. And by the way, these snacks were very tasty. Pro tip, since this is an open water adventure, the boat can get a bit rocky at times. If you're prone to motion sickness, head to the back of the boat. It's way smoother back there. As the boat cruised along the Atlantic, we saw countless dolphins swimming and playing in the waves. A truly magical sight. Although whales weren't present in the area that day, the overall experience was unforgettable, with the excitement of being out in the open sea.
Bottlenose dolphins are a sexually dimorphic species of animal. That means the males and females differ in size. Dolphins are incredibly social animals. We almost never find them alone in solitary. Instead, we find them in a group setting just past the buffalo line and exhibit in the valley. Just popped up right alongside us between 4 and 5 o'clock. Home right now. The ospreys will bring their catch back to these large nests, but they'll continue to build upon year after year and rebuild it up.
All in all, we were very pleased with the entire boat experience. The staff was courteous, and the narration about the dolphins was both fun and informative. We highly recommend this tour to anyone considering a whale and dolphin watching adventure. Thanks for watching.